Back at it again, y'all. Back at it again. You guessed it. Welcome to my dirty laundry. Okay. Welcome back to my dirty laundry. Kendra Dirty Laundry. Of course. Remember to follow the yellow dirty laundry. Follow the yellow dirty laundry. Y'all coming with me to Starbucks. Yeah, I love the fall flavors. Tell me what kind of flavors y'all like from Starbucks as well. Okay? Yeah, I love my fall flavors. I'm not making the habit of going over anywhere too much, you know. So, I need to learn how to make that shit at home. Shit, save me some damn money. I like that. I know y'all would like it as well. Have any of y'all ever tried Starbucks at home, or have y'all tried any of their fall flavors? I want to know. Y'all could leave a comment down below, because I want to know. I want to go live soon, but I need y'all to do me a favor and comment on my videos, so that way when y'all see me going live, that'll be a good thing. Okay? I got about 26 minutes to take my clothes out. Yep. Yeah, I need y'all to comment. Like, click, share, and subscribe to the video, and share the video as well. People that y'all share the video with, they're gonna love it as well. Cause I don't deliver no weak ass content. Anyways, remember I told y'all I was gonna be coming with something else, right? My neighbor. I already did the part one to the dirty laundry series. Part 1. This is gonna be a part 2. But I don't know. I was thinking about sitting down to do it. The reason why I said I was thinking about sitting down to do it is because I don't have to be all over the place, and I can sit down and y'all can look at me as I'm talking. That's why I said I think I'm gonna sit down and do that. That's why I said that. Because I want y'all to be able to sit down with me and listen to this story. But in the meantime, between time, y'all gonna go with me on the Starbucks run. I'm gonna show you what kind of drink I purchased and all. Y'all gonna like it, don't worry. I don't deliver no crap. Y'all know that. I know y'all know that. I need y'all to continue to view the videos as well. That also helps me as well, because then when the subscribers see the views on the video, they're like, okay, I know she's good. Seriously. Yep. Look at this, y'all. This don't make no damn sense. She knows she's not the only one here. She's just charging her phone like she's the only one that has to use this. This is for everybody, not just her. That's fucking selfish as shit. She'll be a damn shame to herself. But I'm going to turn this towards the, there you go. Turn this towards the street. Yeah, that's so fucking selfish, though. She sees that everybody else has to be able to charge their phone as well. And believe it or not, I wouldn't even use that charger. I do not want people being in my videos. You see me making the video, cross on the other side. I mean, seriously. Man with the smelly balls going across the street, y'all. Ridiculous. I don't mind people walking all the way in front of me, but don't wait until the last minute and want to do it, because that's rude. You see somebody doing a video, stand to the side. It's being obnoxious, if you ask me. Yep. Y'all gonna see the flavors that I'm gonna pick out. It's nice out here today. Oh shit. Subscribers. I don't know. I was supposed to take off my jacket and I forgot all about it. I don't know what's gotten into me these days. It's too hot for this. By the time I get back in that laundromat, I should be finished with my clothes. Yeah, as I said before, by the time I get back into that laundromat, my clothes should be finished with, so I can fly my big ass out of there. That's dangerous. I should have fell down right there so I could get some extra money. Okay, we're making a short Target run. A Starbucks run. Sorry if I sound under the breath, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this video because they got music playing in the background as usual. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this video. I've really known that I could do a voiceover before. I would have been did this voiceover earlier. They have the fall flavors. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what kind of flavors they have. I'm up next. Got the fall flavors, y'all. Y'all see this? Comment what kind of fall flavors y'all like from Starbucks. I want to know. Inquirer minds would like to know what kind of fall flavors y'all like. What kind of snacks do y'all get when y'all come to Starbucks? They got drinks as well. I love myself some Starbucks. It's pricey though, so you don't want to get it like every single day. You know what I mean? Okay, y'all. Alright. Okay, hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. Alright. Alright. Can I get a can I get an iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte?
Sure.
You have that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's cold.
Yeah, you can get it hot as well, but without the cold.
Okay. Now I'll get it cold
Okay.
because it's kind of hot out today.
Ice
Okay.
pumpkin cream cheese.
Let me turn this around. Hold on. Okay, I'm doing the vlog.
No problem.
Okay. Okay. I need my viewers to see me. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'll get that. I'll get the venti. Also, can I get a
A pumpkin.
papita loaf?
Gotcha.
Is that the same thing as the pumpkin loaf?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No problem. All right.
No?
That's it.
So I have a venti iced chai tea latte and a pumpkin loaf.
Yeah, because if you can bust out anything else, I want to order the whole store. Literally.
What's your name, hon?
Kendra. Okay.
Alright. So your
Y'all still see me, y'all?
10-10.
Okay. Okay, 10-10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to use my card.
Go ahead and
Okay.
order it.
Hold on, y'all. I got to pay for this. Okay. We got some top secret stuff going on around here, too. I'm only giving you $2. I don't normally give nobody no tip, but you could get it.
Thank you.
See y'all. Okay. See y'all. I'm doing it right now. I got ice cream. I'm doing an ice cream reveal for y'all later on today. Okay. Don't worry, y'all gonna like it. It's gonna be real nice. Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Sure, no problem. Okay. Oh, can I get the receipt also, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great one.
Okay, you too. Come on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got a venti iced chai tea And I got a pumpkin loaf. See y'all? There it goes. Bam. Right there. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm waiting for my order to come out. That way I can show y'all what it is. You know I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this video. So let me turn this down now. I don't want them to